Right, main pointers to focus on for a DevOps engineer. Well, first of all, I hate the title DevOps engineer. It implies that a DevOps team is full of 8 DevOps engineers who can all do the same thing. And the power of DevOps to me is the diversity within the team. But if you want to take your role as a DevOps team member, then you need to understand the range of skills required across the team. You will have your own particular skills, and don't lose those in becoming a DevOps engineer, if that's what your job title is. But the DevOps engineer understands how they apply their best skill in a team environment, and how other members of the team work together, and how the team has to perform. So the biggest attitude, the biggest things you'll understand as a successful DevOps engineer is that you're not judging yourself by your performance. You will be judged by how the team performs, and you will understand that your contribution to the team is what delivers success. I'm not saying it doesn't matter how good you are, and of course that's good, and it doesn't matter that a team has bad people, but it's team metrics. We will win this or we will lose this. So understanding how you'll work as a team and how you'll bring your particular skills to that team is what learning DevOps should send you away with.